ecosystem will greatly improve if humans make conscious effort in taking care of their environment. To this end, the authorities of Ayoba Ipaja Lcda, led by Bola Shobowale, organized its annual tree planting exercise to sensitize and encourage residents on the need to plant trees in their neighborhood. The event, held at Community Nursery and Primary School Ishefun, recorded an impressive turnout of community members, school pupils, traditional leaders, council officials, as well as the chairman of Ayoba Ipaja Lcda. In her opening remarks, the chairman, Ayoba Ipaja Lcda, Bola Shobowale, said the essence of tree planting exercise cannot be overemphasized, as it plays significant roles in combating climate change, hence the council's decision to key into the initiative.
Trees planted by the streets and in the parks and gardens add to the scenic beauty of the spot. Without oxygen, we cannot live for a moment. Without oxygen, the animal world will die away. Trees make the oxygen and spread it in the air, while inhaling air, we take oxygen with it into our bodies. Carbon dioxide makes our atmosphere, or rather our environment, poisonous for us. Trees consumes its carbon dioxide and thereby makes our environment safe for us.
Trees forms the core factors of sustaining life on Earth. They cleanse the air and make it favorable to breathe. Trees maintain an ecological balance of environment. Tree forms a natural habitat for the animals, birds, insects, and wildlife. Tree reduce surface runoff and soil erosion by binding. Trees have the capacity of reducing the heat up to 8 to 10 degrees, creating a serene ambience. Without trees, we have no fun.
School children did a cultural exhibition and a short drama to lighten up the day. The chairman flagged off the exercise while other guests participated. The newly planted trees will further help to curb the challenges affecting the ecosystem.